There's a walk around at the Scott's outside. I finished up the hood. I cob jobbed it again. Hey, there ain't nothing wrong with the cob job if it's your only choice. Again, we don't have it running. I mean, she isn't bad. I mean, I liked my end result. There are a few cracks there I could just duct tape and paint right over. Man, not bad at all. I like it. Probably should have thrown the never start on the battery charger. Man, I like that. Not stopping. She'll just crank for a long time. That's really good. That's a great sign. That doesn't mean A, the starter's going bad, or anything electrical's bad, or the engine's stubborn. She wants to crank, she wants to start. That's exactly what that means. Holy shit, it's cold. Well, today should be the day we get this thing in business. And God, that gets cold. Yeah, I got the hooks and everything, and I gotta pull her around and get a picture of it in its final forms. Yeah, seeing it like that, that's really good. Seeing it like this and back in one piece. Cob job, bully. Whatever, it's a work machine. It isn't built to look pretty. And she went off a stone wall, and she looks really good for going off a damn stone wall. Well, I'm going to push this back inside, go warm up, and I'm going to hobble my dad out of bed. And there's our license plates in the window. God damn, I love it. I mean, that's really good. I like that. That's good to know. That she will be willing to crank. And it's just like my grandma's mower. Since it's jury rigged, it's bypassed the safety. I mean, I'll still push in the brake and shit because she rolls really easy. I mean, probably a kindergartner could push this thing. That's how easy this thing likes to roll. Well, yeah. That's our now really shiny Scott's lawnmower. That's going to be turned into a damn plow machine and pulling machine and just whip it around the yard fun machine. I doubt it'll do good in the winter, but no, I'm like that. Well, I'm pushing her back in now. I should be getting her started today. So, yeah, I actually didn't even check to see if she wanted to even crank at all. So that's good to know. And no, she doesn't have headlights, unfortunately. She's pretty cob jobbed up, but I can't complain. You don't need a hood to drive it anyway. And plus, you could just handyman secret weapon it to the damn thing. Or zip tie it. Take some zip ties, put a hole and zip tie it to the PTO switch because it's connected to nothing. I was saying like that Red Green from the Red Green show. It's not like the one dude from the Red Green show who's who does the DIYs and they always go wrong. And it's just funny. The playground one had to be my favorite. And yeah, it's a hydrostatic, automatic hydrostatic. You know, hence this big ass gear shift here. That's for all you gotta do. You push in the brake, you select your gear like save as reverse, and it backs up itself. It's convoluted. That's my guess. And I think nature hates us all. And it's snowing. Sun snowing. Sun showers and snow. Come on. They could have just duct taped it together. I mean, I do like the end result though, overall. Well, thanks for watching. Even though this is supposed to be a quickie, it got longer than it needed to. So, yeah, you should be seeing this running really, really soon.